And so to get the muscles to do that, we now have, which you're bringing forward, mindful strength training to failure, or MSTF. Can you talk a little bit about what that is and why that's so important?
Yeah, I mean, there's several aspects to our mindful strength training to failure. The mindful part is important because that means you're bringing the whole of the body. Um, it's difficult to describe because we tend to sit in our heads and tell the body what to do, the way you'd sit on a donkey and beat it to go harder. So what we're proposing is a mindful approach that is made possible by a very slow movement. So, for example, if you're on a weight machine, you would lift the weight very, very slowly and let it down very, very slowly. And you continue to do that until you hit the point of momentary muscle failure. And that can take 1.5 or 2 minutes. I mean, it happens quickly. And then you move on to the next exercise. So within a half hour, you can bring all the major muscles of your body to failure. And you can do one session a week and see improvements. And you really should be cautious in doing more than 2 sessions a week, because once you've taken a muscle group to failure, it takes time to recover. You need 72 hours. And if you don't allow the muscle to remodel, you undermine its effects in strengthening. And it just simplifies everything when you go into this mindful space and you're present to this weight and you take it to failure. And it is, I mean, it is a joy. This form of training, the high intensity training, is known to be a form of suffering. And with MSTF, we're really emphasizing that as you bring a mindful quality to it, it holds a joy, it holds an aliveness that you may not encounter in the rest of your week.